Hey and welcome back to Refashion. Today we're gonna make another quick to make sewing project. Like this video, subscribe, and let's begin sewing. Square size 30 centimeters on 30 centimeters. Fold twice in half. And again fold in half. After you fold in half, it's time to add shape to our paper. So cut from one side to another side, like bit rounding. Or you can play with other shapes. After you finish cutting, open your paper again and on the both sides, this time on one side, draw 2 centimeters on the top. It will be your dart width of your dart, and exactly the same measurement on the other side, 2 centimeters. And now it's time to draw dart length. It will be, for example, 12 centimeters. Exactly the same length draw on the other side, 12 centimeters. And voila, now it's time to cut our darts. One side and cut other side, and open your paper, and now you can see the beautiful bowl flower shape. Let's try it. This bowl will look like. I think it will be a bit too big for me, but let's see it. So we're gonna pin this paper dart with pins, and we're gonna see how this bowl will look like. Here you can change the size, the width of your darts, the depth of your darts. You can after you test this pattern, you can add some changes to it, of course. So always after you make pattern, test it. As you see, I think this bowl is really big. I think I don't need that big bowl, so I play with other shapes and sizes. As you see, you can play it too. And I choose the middle one. So let's begin sewing. Cut 2 pieces, upper part and the lower part. Iron on some interfacing or quilting to your bottom part of your bowl, and pin dart with right sides together, as you see. And sewing tip, start sewing from dart point. And so let's pin the darts with clips, or you can pin with pins, of course. Pin each dart separately, as you see, like me. Okay, finally we finished pinning our darts. It's time to sew them. As I said before, start from sewing from the dart point to out. And when you start your sewing, always start from back stitch and finish your sewing with the back stitch too, to secure your sewing. And I recommend to sewing 1 centimeter or half centimeter, depends as you like. As you see, finish, sew all edges exactly the same way. And of course, upper and the bottom parts we are sewing exactly the same way. Okay, it's time to pin upper part to our lower part with right sides together, matching seams. As you see, match all seams together, all these dart seams. And after you pin, sew all the way around, leaving at least 4 centimeters gap, and sew 1 centimeter from the edge. Slowly, do not rush the process. Optional but recommended, clip these rounded corners. And now we're gonna turn the right side out through our gap. And it's time for the final step. Tuck in your fabric into this gap, pin all the way around, and sew with straight stitch half centimeter from edge. Ta-da! Your bottle is ready! I hope you are happy with your final result and you will make more than one. They look a bit like bucket hat, right? Maybe you can make bucket hat from this pattern, I don't know, but you can play with the pattern as you like. And of course, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one.